Hey guys, it's Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment RCAC Museum in Oshawa, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of one of the other projects, exciting projects for 2021 that we're working on, and some new additions that you have not seen to the museum collection. I mean, in our behind the scenes series, we gave a little bit of a teaser on these. These are Oshkosh SANDCAT Armoured Patrol Vehicles, or APVs. So these were built in the United States by Oshkosh. The vehicles are actually based off of Plasan Design, and that's an Israeli company used for internal security, military, all over the world. So these are three. We have three here in the workshop, and these are three of just 8 of these vehicles that were ever imported to Canada. They also, we are a museum, but they are actually the newest vehicles in our collection, having been built just in 2012. So they were donated to the museum from a non-disclosed governmental security organization. And we are going to fully restore them, but we're going to do more than that. We're going to be making all 3 of them unique variants that represent SANDCATs that were used in countries all over the world, such as Mexico, Peru, Italy, and also we'll keep one as sort of a tactical security variant. So these would be used, for instance, in the Middle East for internal security of several nations, for moving VIPs. And for many countries, being that they're built on a Ford F550 Super Duty chassis, you know, a G licensed driver can operate them. It doesn't take really a lot of training to train someone to operate a SANDCAT because it's based on a civilian model chassis. You can see that they have very thick doors, thick armored doors, and if you just have a look at the thickness of the glass is all the way through in. That is rated to take a 50 cal round. So the operators of the vehicle inside are completely safe from any small arms, including 50 caliber on the exterior of the vehicle. You can see here, we're going to have another video with our maintenance coordinator talking about, you know, some of the rust mitigation and the work that we're doing. Also notice on the doors, there's lots of viewpoints. You know, even at a prone position, a soldier inside this vehicle can fire from outside the vehicle with these pistol ports. They're very simple to open. And from the safety of the vehicle inside, the officers or military personnel can actually fire from inside the vehicle. Once again, these Oshkosh SANDCATs Generation 4 are built on a Ford F550 Super Duty chassis. It has a standard crew of 3, that would be the driver, then a commander who would also be operating the radio. Up at the top, there would be a crew commander in a turret. That turret moves 365 degrees and also has a slat for a small arm. It just gives the crew commander up there some protection. At the back of the vehicle, it's actually made for deployment of 2 officers or 2 infantry. You can see right here, there's a crew seat with seat belts for 2 and also stowage for their equipment, weapons, etc. The vehicle being a more modern vehicle and an advanced vehicle, it actually has reverse cameras so that people can, the crew commander and the driver can actually see the deployment or the extraction of the infantry coming in and out of the vehicle. So there's a lot of great features on the SANDCAT, still used all over the world. Like I said, only 8 of these were imported to Canada for use by a governmental security organization. But they are used by many militaries, including Mexico and Italy. So exciting news, and this will be in a future video. We're actually cooperating with a sponsor. We have a company in Toronto that wraps vehicles. And so instead of painting these, we're going to prep them, and they're going to be wrapped by our sponsor so that all 3 represent SANDCATs in 3 different places around the world. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to learn more about this, follow the series. We'll be giving updates on this and other restoration projects that we have going over the 2021 season, leading up to our eventual reopening. I know you guys have been very patient and waiting. And like our Facebook page, hit subscribe on YouTube, and we'll talk to you in the next video.